In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3D roof in Revit. By the end, you'll know how to set up the right level for your roof, sketch the roof footprint, and view it in 3D so you can see how it sits on your building. First, open Autodesk Revit. From the home screen, start a new project using the architectural template, or open the building project you've already been working on. Using the architectural template gives you a clean, ready-to-go environment with the standard views and settings you'll need. Before placing a roof, make sure your building has exterior walls and at least a couple of levels, like level 1 and level 2. The roof uses a level to define its height. If you don't see a dedicated roof level yet, don't worry, we'll create one now. Switch to an elevation view, such as north or east, so you can see your building's height. On the ribbon, choose the Level tool. Hover near the tops of your walls and draw a new level slightly above your tallest wall. Give it a clear name like Roof Level. This line is simply a reference plane that tells Revit where the roof should live. You can always fine-tune its exact elevation later if needed. Next, head to the project browser on the left, find Floor Plans, and double-click Roof Level. This opens a plan view at the height you just created, which is the perfect place to sketch the roof outline. On the Architecture tab, click Roof and select Roof by Footprint. This method is straightforward for simple or pitched roofs and lets you define the perimeter directly on the plan. You're now in sketch mode. Use Pick Walls to trace the outer face of your building. Click each exterior wall in sequence. Revit will generate boundary lines that follow your walls. If the boundary appears offset in the wrong direction, flip it as you go so it stays aligned outside your walls. Keep an eye on corners to ensure the sketch forms a clean, closed loop. Depending on your template, some edges may be marked to define slope. That's normal for creating a pitched roof and can be edited later. When the boundary is complete, finish the sketch to build the roof. To see the result in 3D, click the 3D house icon on the view bar. Orbit around to confirm the roof sits correctly on your walls. If it's a bit high or low, remember that the roof level controls its height, and your wall's top constraints determine how they meet the roof. That's it. Your 3D roof is in place and ready for further detailing.